Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. In today's video we'll be drawing Cyclizar from Pokemon. Let's get started.
Start off with our drawing. We're going to start with a circle on the top of the page, right around this area. Make it a pretty small circle. And then we're going to extend it a little bit down to this point. Once you have that done, we're going to draw in the eyes. We're going to go for the top first, add arch. And once you get to this point, we're going to add the bottom line. Now we just need the eyelid and the eyeball. With that done, let's fill in the eyeball just a little bit, revealing a little bit of white. When you're done with that step, we're moving over to the nose, which is going to be around here. You're just going to extend this line and curve to that point. With that done, let's move over to the mouth. From this corner, we're going to go down to this point. And then we're going to go all the way back to the face. Let's just start from the face and go down to match the line. Right around here, right below the circle, all the way to the face. Like so. With the bottom done, let's just do the top of the head. Let's go from the nose and we're going to go all the way up to this point. And then from this point, we're going to go all the way back to around here. And do a slight curve and connect it back to this line. With the face done, let's draw in the little line for the mouth. We're just going to curve all the way to this point right here. Stop a little bit. Go a little bit down to do the little mouth. Once you're done with that, let's just add in 2 nostrils. And that's pretty much the head. Now for the body, we're going to start around this point and go all the way down to here. Right around here. Let's go down to this point. And then we need to do the tire detail. So we're going to go curve. And then we're going to match the curve from this point all the way up. Like so. Once you're done with that, let's do the inside curve. Now let's do some details for the tires. It's going to just be these simple curves all along the tire. Spacing should be pretty even, like so. Now once you're done with the tire, we're going to move over to the left of the body, right behind this circle right here. We're going to go all the way down to this point. With that done, now move over up a little bit and just draw the same line to this point. With that area done, let's move over to the arms. We're going to go a little notch down from here. And then we're going to draw a line all the way to this point from here. Once you're done with that, just draw a line from that point to this for the outside of the arm. And now let's work on some fingers. The fingers are going to be 3 triangles, like so, and connect the final one to this point. Now let's move over this line back to the body, like so. Once you're done with those details, let's add 2 little curves, one right here, one right here, just to indicate the arm. And then we need a little line right down the middle to indicate that the fingers is split. And a little line for the knuckle. Once the arm is done, let's draw in the line for the back. Right here, down. Let's move over to this side for the other arm. Right around this area, we're going to start from the tire and draw a line out for the top of the arm for the finger, we're going to go out and down. And then go back in for the first finger. For the second finger, starting from here, we're going to go out, down, and go all the way back to this point. And connect it back to the tire. Once you're done with that shape, let's draw in the palm. And one more finger behind everything. That's looking good. Now to continue the body, we're going to go around this point where the body ends below the tire. We're going to go a curved line all the way down to match this point. And let's draw in the leg. The leg can start from here and we're going to go up to this point like so. And on opposite end, we're going to go down a little bit. Once you're done with that line, from the kneecap, we're going to go down to this point. And similar to the hands, we're going to do 3 triangles. One, big one in the middle, and a smaller one again. And connect it to the fingers. Now we need a little U shape for the kneecap, a line to split the toes, and one more line to show where the foot is starting. This leg is done, so now we can move to the other leg. Starting from the corner right here, we're going to go a line to this point. This is going to be our kneecap, and we're going to go down to the front of the leg. On the other end, we're going to go down and curve up and down for this end. Now we just need some toes to fill it out. So from this corner, go down and back up for the first toe. With the bigger middle toe, down, back up to match, and a line in the middle to split the toe. And then one more toe behind it. We just need the similar line over here to show where the foot starts. And that should be good to move on. We need a little detail where the belly is, up and down. And then for the tail, just go in from this behind the leg, up, continue behind the arm, up, curve like so, and behind the elbow, curve up and connect it. For the details of the body, it's just going to be a simple shape right here, and then we're just going to do some lines similar to the tire. 1, 2, 3. Now your line drawing should be done. All we really need is color now.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.